Supreme Court strikes down Modi's electoral bond scheme as illegal. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court has declared the electoral bond scheme, introduced by the Narendra Modi government in 2017, illegal. This decision shakes the foundations of political funding in India. The court found that the scheme violates the constitution, infringing on Article 19(1)(a) and the fundamental right to knowledge. This verdict marks a significant shift in how political contributions will be viewed. Despite the controversy, the Supreme Court had earlier refrained from halting the scheme. It took years before the bench decided to address the application submitted back in 2017. During this period of judicial deliberation, the State Bank of India continued to sell electoral bonds. These transactions amounted to hundreds of crores of rupees, right up until January of this year. Critics argue that the scheme lacked transparency, potentially enabling anonymous contributions to political parties. This, they claim, could lead to undue influence over political entities by unknown benefactors. Supporters, however, viewed the scheme as a step towards cleaner political funding. They believed it provided a legitimate avenue for companies and individuals to support political parties. With this ruling, the future of political funding in India is now at a crossroads. The judgment not only impacts political parties but also sets a precedent for how democracy is financed. Imagine a world where the flow of money into the veins of our democracy is as transparent as glass. That world inches closer today. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has struck down the veil of anonymity around electoral bonds. The State Bank of India now holds a key, tasked with unlocking the secrets of political funding by March 6. These details, once shrouded in mystery, will soon find daylight on the Election Commission of India's official platform. By March 13, every citizen will have the power to see who fuels our political machinery. This move isn't just about transparency. It's about reclaiming the democratic ethos that belongs to every voter. Together, let's step into this new dawn of accountability and trust in our political landscape.